Okay, so we're here with Andy. He's just completed our 6-week challenge. We've got some uber awesome results, which he's going to talk about in a minute, I'm sure. So Andy, where were you at before you started the 6-week challenge with us?
Well, basically, I struggled fitting exercise into my life, and I didn't really have a clue with nutrition. I was a bit naive with everything, and I tried different diets, different exercises, and didn't get anywhere. And so I thought I'd try this place. And
Lo and behold.
6-week trial, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And what would you say has been the best part about it, or what's been easy to follow? Is there anything specific that stands out to you that's helped you with all of this?
Well, the nutrition side, I've learned so much with the nutrition, and it was so much easier to follow that than I thought it would be. And the training side is just the half hour. You know you've done it, but you don't feel like you're spending hours at the gym, and it just fits into what I could do easy. It's just been fitting in perfect.
Okay, cool. And then and what would you say in terms of the results that I've just told you about? What would you say is, or where are you at now against where you were when you first started with us, in terms of energy, in terms of how you've progressed forwards?
Well, I feel like I've got a lot more energy now. I've lost a fair amount of weight. It's not just that I feel more confident in myself as well. So with the nutrition side, it's something that I can carry on with. It's not something that you just do for that time. I've learned better ways of eating, and I've learned the right and wrong things to do, the best way to set out, the best way to plan things, and it's been fantastic. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Good stuff, mate. That's what we wanted to hear.
Yeah.
Like, you've done really well on your journey with us so far. It's been quite impressive to see. And Andy's definitely going to get the award for losing the most so far, at just shy of 23 pounds, or just on 23 pounds. So yeah, quite a lot. Well done, mate.